Hey, what's up guys? BeeJayDeL here to announce my all new Kawaii Creator Brush Pack for Procreate featuring 500, yes you heard that right, 500 brushes for Procreate to help you make cute kawaii designs. There's an absolute ton included in this pack, so let's take a look at what you get. So with this new Kawaii Creator Pack, you get 500 stamp brushes for Procreate. There's an absolute ton of material here, so let's go over what's available in the pack. First off, we have kawaii eyes. You get 50 different kawaii eyes in the pack, as you can see here. We have kawaii mouths. Here, once again, you also get 50 mouths included in this pack. Next up, we have plants. There are 20 different plant brushes. Music, there are 20 different music brushes as well. Weather, we have 10. Outdoor, we also have 10. You get 10 different space brushes. You get 10 different candy brushes. Tools, we have 20 different tools for you to use. School, there are 30 different brushes included in the school set. Holidays, we have 70 different brushes here. You get 5 for New Year's, 5 for Valentine's, you get 5 for St. Patrick's. Easter also has 5, 5 for 4th of July. You have 15 for Halloween. Thanksgiving, you have 5. Christmas, you have 20. And then Hanukkah, you have 5. Once again, for a total of 70 different holiday brushes. Next up, we have medical. And for medical, you get 20 different medical brushes. Household, for this one, you get 20 different brushes as well. We have beach, 20 different beach brushes. Shapes, 20 different shape brushes. Even without the kawaii stuff, these come in super handy for other designs as well. Camping, here you can see there's 20 different camping brushes included. Kitchen, 20 different kitchen brushes. Food, 60 different food brushes spanning from all different sorts of things, from vegetables to fruits to toast and eggs and bakery stuff. There's sushi, just a ton of different options here for food, as you can see. And then finally, we have drinks, which once again, 20 here rounds out the 500 brush set. And as we shuffle through there, I'm sure that you saw, I've got these divided down into the 19 categories, so it makes it super easy to find what you're looking for. Instead of having one single brush set containing 500 different brushes, it would make it nearly impossible to find that one particular one that you were searching for. This way, having the 19 separate really allows you to quickly identify what you're looking for and then get it out onto the canvas. And these stamp brushes are super easy to quickly make designs with. Just grab your base design stamp brush, tap the screen once to lay that down, then go up, grab some eyes, tap the screen again to place those, go back to your brush library, grab a mouth, put that into place, and you can see you have a finished design within less than a minute. Of course, this is just the outline, which is perfect for coloring books, or you can take it one step further and add color flats to it, or even go further than that and add shadows and highlights for a truly finished design. The other great thing about this set is it comes with full commercial rights, so anything you make with these brushes, you can sell. Put the design on t-shirts, put it on mugs, on tote bags, use it in coloring books, make your own SVGs or clip art out of it. It's up to you. The only thing you can't do is resell the brushes themselves, but other than that, the sky's the limit. Also included with your purchase, you get a 45-minute exclusive training tutorial video where I walk you through how to get the most out of this pack. I'll show you different tips and techniques that I use and some different tools in Procreate, which is going to allow you to create some really great work using the brushes that you get. All right guys, so there you go, a ton of content included in this pack. I want to give you as much value as I could, as much bang for your buck as humanly possible. So kind of the reason behind the 500 brushes. Those are available starting today. The link is down in the description below. So if you want to pick them up, they can be found down there. Spent the last few months and a few hundred hours making these, so hopefully you guys enjoy them as much as I enjoyed creating them. So that's it for me today. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications so you can get alerted when I post new videos. As for me, I can also be found online at BeeJayDeL.com. So until next time, keep creating.